We met last night at the club. You told me you were in love. Came home and smushed in the tub. And now you're in my yard. Woke up and saw you were gone. You're running across my lawn without your pants or shoes on. Here comes my Saint Bernard. Vodka was flowing, but cleavage was showing. Your mind I was blowing. Man, we were so freaking wasted. Tag, you're my boyfriend. My name is Carly, but all my doctors just call me crazy. I made you Pop-Tarts with extra gravy, but I'm a call girl. You have to pay me. Psych, I'm just kidding. Aren't I crazy? Let's watch 12 hours of Chelsea lately, and all the other boys try to tase me. The doors are locked now. You can't escape me. Come on, let's do sex again. I wanna be more than friends. Look how far my legs can bend.
I'm sorry, I can't stay. Look, I don't mean to be rude, but I don't think that we screwed.
I've got the pictures to prove it. Hey, don't look away. You're my one and only. That's what my doc told me. But don't think you own me. Now let's sacrifice some chickens. I've got some handcuffs. Feel free to spank me. But here's the safe word. It's call me maybe. Hey, this is my band. They seem to hate me.
They don't look like they're really playing.
Crap, that's my husband. He's in the Navy. He's gonna kill you. He's also crazy.
I'm gonna kill you, 'cause that's my lady. What's going on here?
He tried to rape me.
When people try to rape my wife, it makes me so mad. It makes me feel bad. I'm gonna kick your ass. Come to think of it, my wife is just a guy in drag. I need a real man, so call me maybe.
The Key of Awesome.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching The Key of Awesome. If you want to see all the other Key of Awesomes, click on the grid over here. This was my collab that I did with the hilarious Bart Baker.
Hey guys, if you want to see all my parodies, click below. I think you're really gonna dig my channel if you're a Key of Awesome fan, so check it out.
If you want to see my parodies, just look right here, baby. Play those things.